Right now, as you're just sitting there, something incredible is happening inside your body. It's this hidden, constant collaboration, this perfectly coordinated dance between all your different systems. And honestly, it's the secret to how you do, well, pretty much everything. Today, we're going to pull back that curtain and take a look at this amazing teamwork. I mean, really think about it for a second. It sounds so simple, doesn't it? But it's actually this absolutely mind-blowing feat of biological engineering. The secret isn't in any one single part of your body. Nope, it's all about how they work together. So let's start with the single most important rule of the game. Here it is, the one big idea you need to understand how our bodies work. And it's this: no system is an island. Nothing works in a vacuum. Every single part relies on all the others to get the job done. This is it. This is the core concept, the key to everything we're talking about. It sounds so simple, right? No body system works alone. But that simple sentence is incredibly powerful. This isn't just a casual observation. It's the fundamental law of how we stay alive.
And of course, there's a scientific term for this: interdependence. All it really means is that for any one system to do its job, it absolutely needs the help of a bunch of others. It is the ultimate form of teamwork, and it's happening inside you every single second of every single day.
So, what does this teamwork actually look like in practice? Let's zoom in and meet a few of the most important partnerships in your body, these dynamic duos that are constantly collaborating just to keep you going. First up, we've got the digestive and the circulatory systems. Think of the digestive system as your body's personal chef and kitchen. It takes the food you eat and breaks it down into tiny, usable bits of energy called nutrients. Meanwhile, the circulatory system, that's your heart and all your blood vessels, is like the body's super fast, high-tech delivery service. And this is where the magic happens. The digestive system does all this hard work of creating fuel from your food, but without the circulatory system, that fuel would just sit there. It wouldn't go anywhere. The circulatory system is what picks up those nutrients and delivers them to every single cell in your body, from your brain all the way down to your toes.
Okay, here's another key partnership. You've got your respiratory system, we're talking about your lungs here, and their main job is critical: bring in oxygen from the air. And hey, look who's back for another team up. It's our friend the circulatory system, all ready to handle the transportation.
So you take a deep breath, right? Your lungs fill with precious oxygen. But that oxygen is completely useless if it just stays put in your lungs. So the circulatory system sends in red blood cells to grab that oxygen and then race it out to all the other cells that are screaming for it to make energy. It's really that simple. No delivery, no energy. All right, let's talk about the team that actually gets you moving, the muscular and the skeletal systems. Your muscles, they provide all the power, the force to pull things. But your skeleton, that provides the rigid framework, the levers for those muscles to pull against. And their relationship is just brilliant. See, a muscle all by itself can only do one thing: contract. It just gets shorter. That's it. But when you attach that muscle to a bone, that simple little contraction suddenly creates powerful movement at a joint. One provides the engine and the other provides the chassis. You absolutely need both. Okay, so we've seen all these amazing partnerships, right? These little teams doing their jobs. But who's telling them what to do and when to do it? I mean, who's the conductor of this whole biological orchestra? Well, that brings us to the master coordinator. That would be the nervous system. It's the command and control center for your entire body. If the other systems are the specialized teams, the nervous system is the central management, the CEO, that directs every single one of their actions. Through this constant, lightning-fast stream of electrical and chemical messages, it coordinates everything. It's telling your muscles when to contract, telling your lungs how fast to breathe, and making sure your heart keeps the right rhythm. And the amazing part is, it does all of this without you even having to think about it. So now, let's put it all together. Let's see what this symphony looks like in a real-world scenario. We'll take something as simple as going for a run, and watch how all these different teams just snap into action to make it happen. So first, your nervous system decides, let's run, and fires off the signals to your legs. Then, boom, your muscular and skeletal systems work together to create that running motion. Almost immediately, your body realizes it needs more fuel, so your respiratory system kicks into high gear, making you breathe faster to get more oxygen. And of course, to deliver all that extra oxygen, your circulatory system responds by making your heart pump faster and harder. It's this perfect, synchronized cascade of events. So when you take a step back and look at the big picture, it becomes crystal clear. Your body isn't just a collection of separate parts that happen to be in the same place. It is one single, beautifully integrated team. And that's really the bottom line here. This idea of interdependence isn't just some neat biological factoid. It is the absolute, non-negotiable requirement for survival. The health of one system directly affects the health of all the others, which is why taking care of your whole body is so critical. They truly do succeed or fail together. So as we wrap this up, just take a moment, right now. As you're sitting here, breathing, your heart's beating, maybe you're digesting your last meal, just think about that. What incredible hidden teamwork is happening inside of you at this very second to make all of that possible? It's pretty amazing when you stop to think about it.